All right, y'all. Time to tackle the single question I get asked the absolute most on my channel.
Who do I recommend for editing?
If you're only interested in how to reach them, their website is wegoteditors.com, and it's the first link down in the description below for those of you interested in why I waited so long before officially endorsing any editors on my channel.
And how this single issue became a rabbit hole of research for basically my entire photographic career. Well, that's what the rest of this short video is about. I'm going to be spitting out a lot of information throughout this video, and it's all based around my personal opinion and experiences. I've been running my real estate photography company since 2013, and I've been a full-time professional photographer the majority of my adult life.
That means I've been making my full-time living wage from the images I create for the past 15 years consecutively, and closer to 22 if you include all the breaks I had when I first started my career back in NOLA, and again, moving here to North Carolina and kind of having to restart everything.
I also have a bachelor's in photography, but in retrospect, this degree means absolutely nothing to the clients looking to hire me. It's just another vanity plate I get to hang off the back of my car, along with the other awards and trophies up there that no one else cares about but myself.
I'm starting with all this not only because I wanted to humble brag myself, I just wanted to emphasize how long I've been working with editors and looking for teams that can handle the quality and the workload I demand. For just my real estate company alone, I've worked with 3 different editing teams and tested out short runs and test batches with well over 100 different individuals and teams.
I've gotten them from every source imaginable. Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook groups, cold emails, LinkedIn. To this day, I get a bare minimum of 2 emails every week from new editors or editing teams wanting me to try them out or paying me to advertise on this channel.
And to date, I've not featured a single one. That's because the gear I talk about on this channel, the processes of how and why,
these are all real to me. I don't create courses to sell you all on the side. I'm not hustling LUTs. I give you all that I create for free. I'm here to give you what was never available to me when I started in this industry. Real knowledge from people actually working in it. And you don't have to pay for it. That can't be said for 98% of the other people in the real estate world showing you videos on YouTube. All the gear I've made videos, well, they're pieces I actually use in my process. And when I've upgraded to something else, I give away that piece of gear to my channel members or subscribers instead of selling it.
Am I saying I don't make money from YouTube? Of course not. Obviously I do, but the difference is that I'm never trying to make money off of you, the people who watch my channel.
Only the advertisers. All the processes I show you were created by me, and because of this, I was hesitant to showcase any editing team that I'd never personally used.
I think my rambling has, maybe it's got me off topic, so hold on, let me restart this old brain. The reason you're actually here. Who am I recommending and why? Well, let me be completely transparent in the fact that I'm working as a consultant for this company. Not only did I help them create the order form layout, I'm giving them access to all my personal editing teams that I've been working with for the past few years, and I'll continue to consult them for their future expansions.
I say all that to say this. These editors are my editors. These are the people I've personally put hours and hours, weeks and months of work to test and find. I'm getting paid to be their headhunter and find the cream of the crop who work within the budgetary restraints of our industries.
In the description below, you can find a link to their page, and that doesn't actually get me any affiliate sales percentages. It simply shows them how valuable I am as a consultant for their team. So if you appreciate the work I do here on this channel and want to support me, then at least follow the link and check them out. Best way I can describe wegoteditors.com would be an advanced version of Upwork or Fiverr.
Because not just anyone can sign up. It's all done through a selection process of pre-vetting and not only portfolio review. The biggest issues I found on most freelance hiring sites is the difference in the portfolio you're shown versus the quality of work you actually receive. The exact examples you see on We Got Editors websites are exactly what you will get. Editors don't just get to submit a portfolio of the work, they're made to edit materials given to them, and the works they provide from that, that's the work posted.
It's a unique approach that takes a lot more time to get qualified editors that can not only do the job, but do the job well and on time. They're starting small with just my basic real estate photo editing team, but they're also in talks with my luxury editing team for the highest end products that I deliver personally. In time, my personal goal is to help them expand their services from real estate to portrait editors, YouTube editors, and copywriters. So if you think you have the desire to become a part of their editing force, you can send your CV and portfolio links to the email up on the screen right now as well.
When it comes down to the editors I use, there are only two qualifications that I personally demand: quality of delivery and reliability of delivery. They can be the best editors in the world, but if you can't rely on them to do the job by the deadline that they agreed to in advance, then what's the point? Having a reliable team to outsource to, it's the hardest thing to find. And hopefully that's the area where We Got Editors will shine the most. What you see is what you get every time. Made it this far. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.